just a quick video for those of you who need it. I'm gonna just kind of show you how to remove this glove box for those of you who might have an issue or need to take it out. So this is a 1995 Jaguar XK6, but this procedure will apply to basically all of those body styles. It might apply to the newer versions too, maybe even the older one. And all you really have to do when this thing is mounted on, you have a one bolt screw right here, and another screw right in here. This is the bottom of the glove box. So you have to go from the bottom to undo those two. And also what you have to do, you have to open your actual glove box, and you have those 4 screws right here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I believe you have to take them, you don't have to take all 4 of them because they just go into these clips here, and there's only 2 clips. I'm just not sure which of those are the ones that go in there, so I just remove all 4 of them. It's not that big of a deal. It's just a regular Phillips screws, as well as the bottom ones right here on the bottom of the glove box. Those ones are the ones I'm gonna show you right now. This is the ones from the bottom of the glove box, just a regular screw with the washer, and the 4 inside the glove box is just little tiny screws like this. So this is all you have to do to remove the glove box, and the whole thing just drops down. If you need to undo the wire, here is the plug for it right in here. Really easy to locate. It's a really easy procedure if you need to take it out for some reason. Maybe you need to get to the ECU or anything behind it. So if that's what you have to do, this is the video for it. I hope you enjoy. I hope it was helpful for you. If so, don't forget to give it a like, and stay tuned and see you next time.